Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. If you've ever dreamed of running a successful YouTube channel without showing your face, you're in the right place. Here, we share insider secrets and step-by-step guides to help you start and grow your very own YouTube automation channel. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator looking to take your channel to the next level, we've got you covered. We'll help you create, publish, and monetize your content with ease. Are you tired of the daily grind, the endless commutes, the rigid schedules, the feeling of being stuck in a never-ending cycle? If you've ever felt like you're just going through the motions, dreaming of something more, something greater, you are not alone. Imagine a life where you're in control, a life where you set your own schedule, follow your passions, and create something truly meaningful. Starting your own business isn't just about financial freedom, it's about living life on your terms. It's about turning your dreams into reality and making an impact. Quitting my 9-to-5 was the best decision I ever made. Now, I wake up excited every day, knowing that I'm building something that matters. I always wanted to be my own boss, and now I am. It's challenging, but the rewards are beyond what I ever imagined. You have the potential to achieve greatness. It's time to take that first step. Research, plan, and take action. When I first started, I was completely lost, unsure of my next move. Determined to make a change, I dove into research and stumbled upon an intriguing concept: YouTube automation. Imagine running a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face. I explored the world of viral niches and discovered the booming trend of AI. With a team of talented scriptwriters, editors, and designers, we built something incredible. Today, I'm sharing the exact blueprint behind this channel. Ready to get started? Let's go! Forget reinventing the wheel. Stick to what works. Analyze top creators in your niche, and then make even better content. Head to YouTube and find trending topics with multiple videos racking up 100,000+ views. That's your gold mine. Pay attention to small channels getting big views. It means YouTube is promoting them. Now, go explore, learn from the best, and start creating your own viral content. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process of starting a YouTube automation channel. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Find your niche. The first step is to find your niche. This is crucial as it sets the foundation for your content and audience. Think about what you're passionate about or what you have deep knowledge in. Popular niches include tech reviews, motivational content, top 10 lists, and more. The key is to choose a broad yet specific niche. Step 2. Research successful channels. Next, research successful channels in your niche. Analyze what makes them popular. Look at their most viewed videos, thumbnails, and titles. This will give you insights into what works and help you replicate their success. Step 3. Create your channel. Now, let's create your channel. If you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to create one. Then, go to YouTube, click on your profile icon, and select Create a Channel. Follow the prompts to set up your channel name and details. Step 4. Design your branding. Branding is key. Design a memorable profile picture and banner that reflect your niche. Use free tools like Canva for this. Also, write a compelling channel description that tells viewers what your channel is all about and includes relevant keywords. Step 5. Optimize your channel. Optimization is essential. Go to your channel settings and add channel keywords that describe your content. This helps YouTube understand your channel and recommend it to the right audience. Step 6. Plan your content. Content planning is crucial for consistency. Create a content calendar and plan your videos in advance. Make sure to cover trending topics and use tools like Google Trends to find popular keywords in your niche. Step 7. Script your videos. Scripting is the foundation of your videos. Write engaging scripts that captivate your audience from start to finish. If writing isn't your strength, consider hiring a scriptwriter. Remember, the key is to keep your audience hooked. Step 8. Record voiceovers. For voiceovers, you can use AI tools like 11 Labs or hire a voice actor on platforms like Fiverr. Choose a voice that fits your content and make sure it sounds natural and engaging. Step 9. Gather visuals. Visuals are vital to keeping your audience engaged. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to create prompts for generating images and animations. Platforms like Leonardo AI can help you create stunning visuals that complement your script. Step 10. Edit your videos. Editing is where your videos come to life. Use software like CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro to combine your voiceover, visuals, and background music. Add transitions, effects, and text overlays to make your videos more dynamic and engaging. Step 11. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see, so it needs to be eye-catching. Use bold text, bright colors, and intriguing images to draw attention. You can use tools like Canva or Photoshop for this. Step 12. Upload and optimize your videos. Upload your video and make sure to optimize it. Write a keyword-rich title and description. Add relevant tags and choose the right category. This will help your video get discovered by the right audience. Step 13. Promote your channel. Promotion is key to growing your channel. Share your videos on social media, engage in relevant forums, and interact with your audience in the comments. Consistency is crucial, so keep uploading regularly. Step 14. Monitor analytics and adjust. Monitor your channel's analytics to see what's working and what isn't. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, engagement, and click-through rates. Use this data to adjust your strategy and improve your content, and that's it. A step-by-step guide to starting your very own YouTube automation channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.